24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is floating at $353,204,708, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. ADA certainly acquired roughly 2.27% inside the buy in large most recent 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. Cardano's EMA10 certainly shows an in every practical sense descending pattern, which fundamentally is very critical. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week, acquiring 6.46% in a huge manner. 19 July 2023. In this video we will really walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these often explicitly got clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What in every practical sense is in every practical sense transient cost expectation for Cardano. Truly is a wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on in an especially significant manner. Yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly let us in every way that really matters discuss the extremely current economic situations in a kind of large manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,198,816,136,743 in an unobtrusive manner. The in every way that really matters, complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $30,093,017,822 in an especially large manner. Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which by and large is very critical, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level, after a decay of 0.14% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time period. So while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time span, or so they generally thought. BNB, the exceptionally local coin of BNB, truly is up by 0.18, and as of now exchanging at $240.64 in a for the most part enormous manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market generally is going in an essentially descending course for pretty present moment, which for the most part is very critical. Right now, a sort of broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize extremely key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Support really is a level at which purchasers generally become in every practical sense something else, all things considered, dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any essentially further in a for the most part significant manner. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which vendors especially become move in every practical sense, dynamic, and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that these occasions generally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a fundamentally descending course, for genuinely momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution ADA especially has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 2.27% in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, showing how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time period, So while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time span in a genuinely significant manner. The sort of current worth of Cardano especially is floating at 31 cents. With the exchanging volume of $353,204,708 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, showing how BNB, the very local coin of BNB in a real sense, is up by 0.18. And right now exchanging at $240.64, which basically is genuinely huge. The genuinely by and large market cap for ADA explicitly is $10,911,705,651 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 6.46% over the course of the week, showing how support generally is a level at which purchasers essentially become basically more lovely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 19 July 2023, inside a very everyday time span, for the most part made sense of beneath in a kind of enormous manner. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX/RSI, moving commonly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Cardano. So support truly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become in every way that really matters, all the more truly dynamic, and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in a genuinely huge manner. The ADA United States dollar moving genuinely normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker, generally is demonstrating an exceptionally present moment, truly sell sort of sign, as the MACD line sort of is moving beneath extremely signal line, which truly implies, especially bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout for their appearance. How market examination over the sort of last 24 hours. There basically was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,198,816,136,743, or so they truly thought. While ADA's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange most certainly signal sort of is essentially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how BNB, the especially local coin of BNB, generally is up by 0.18, and at present exchanging at $240.64, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13, and generally is attempting to, in every practical sense, break out of the negative zone, while featuring huge negative strength, which explicitly shows that various elective digital currencies